Welcome to South Korea, a land of stunning contrasts where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with cutting-edge technology. From the bustling streets of Seoul to the serene temples of the countryside, South Korea is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Start your journey in Seoul, the vibrant capital city. Explore iconic landmarks like Gyeongbokgung Palace and Seoul Tower, and the bustling markets of Myeongdong. Dive into the world of K-pop, cutting-edge fashion, and innovative technology that defines modern Korean culture. Venture beyond the city to discover South Korea's breathtaking landscapes. Hike through the stunning trails of Seoraksan National Park, relax on the pristine beaches of Jeju Island, or visit the traditional Hanok villages in Andong and Bukchon for a glimpse of Korea's rich heritage. Join me as we uncover the wonders of South Korea, from its dynamic cities and historical treasures to its beautiful nature and delicious food. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to follow my adventures in this fascinating country. Jeju. Welcome to Jeju, the heart of Korean tradition and culture. Known for its well-preserved Hanok village, delicious cuisine, and rich history, Jeju offers a unique glimpse into the soul of South Korea. Start your journey in the Jeju Hanok village, where over 800 traditional Korean houses, Hanoks, create a picturesque setting. Wander through the narrow streets, visit traditional tea houses, and experience the timeless beauty of Korean architecture. Don't miss Gyeonggijeon Shrine, a historical site that houses the portrait of King Taejo, the founder of the Joseon dynasty. Jeju is also a culinary capital, famous for its delicious food. Indulge in the city's signature dish, bibimbap, a colorful and flavorful rice bowl topped with vegetables, beef, and a spicy gochujang sauce. Explore the local markets and street food stalls to taste a variety of Korean delicacies. Immerse yourself in the vibrant cultural scene by visiting the Jeju Hanji Museum to learn about traditional Korean paper making or attending the Jeju International Film Festival, which celebrates independent cinema from around the world. GOJ. GOJ, South Korea's stunning island getaway. Known for its beautiful landscapes, historic sites, and maritime culture, GOJ is the perfect destination for nature lovers and history buffs alike. Start your journey exploring the island's breathtaking coastlines. Visit Windy Hill for panoramic ocean views and walk through Rido Botania, a beautiful botanical garden set on a picturesque island. Relax on the pristine sands of Hakdong Mongdal Beach or take a scenic boat tour around Haeungang Island to see dramatic sea cliffs and rock formations. Yeosu. Yeosu is a city located on the southern coast of South Korea, known for its beautiful coastal scenery, numerous islands, and historical sites. It's a popular tourist destination, especially since hosting the 2012 World Expo, which led to significant development in the area. Adventure awaits as we hop on the Yeosu Maritime Cable Car, where we'll get a bird's eye view of the stunning landscape below. And for those who love marine life, Aqua Planet Yeosu offers a glimpse into the wonders of the ocean with its impressive aquarium exhibits. No trip to Yosu is complete without indulging in its mouth-watering seafood. We'll explore the bustling local markets and savor traditional dishes that highlight the freshest catches from the sea. Andong. Andong, the cultural heart of South Korea, where tradition and history come alive. Nestled in the picturesque landscapes of Gyeongsangbuk-do Province, Andong is a city that preserves the essence of Korea's past while embracing the present. The iconic Hahu Folk Village, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where you can step back in time and witness traditional Korean houses, known as hanoks, and experience the age-old customs and lifestyle of the Joseon dynasty. Discover the spiritual side of Andong with a visit to Bomjeongsa Temple, the oldest wooden temple structure in Korea, set against the serene backdrop of Mount Cheung. We'll also explore the Dosan Confucian Academy, a place of learning and reflection that played a crucial role in the development of Confucianism in Korea. Suwon. Suwon, a dynamic city where history meets modernity in perfect harmony. Just a short trip from Seoul, Suwon is a treasure trove of cultural and historical wonders waiting to be discovered. Our journey begins at the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hwaseong Fortress, a majestic 18th century structure that encircles the heart of the city. We'll explore its impressive walls and gates, offering panoramic views and fascinating insights into Korea's architectural ingenuity. Gyeongju. Gyeongju, a city steeped in history and beauty, known as the ancient heart of Korea. Once the capital of the mighty Silla Kingdom, Gyeongju is a living museum where you can explore the remnants of a glorious past that shaped Korean culture and identity. Our journey begins with a visit to the stunning Bufka Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its exquisite architecture and serene gardens. Nearby, we'll delve into the depths of history at Seokuram Grotto, home to a magnificent Buddha statue that has watched over the region for centuries. Gyeongju is not just about history, it's also a place of natural beauty. We'll explore the picturesque Enakji Pond, a former royal garden where history and nature come together in perfect harmony, especially beautiful when illuminated at night. Jeju Island. Jeju Island, a stunning paradise off the southern coast of South Korea, where nature's beauty and cultural richness come together in perfect harmony. Known as the Hawaii of Korea, Jeju is famous for its dramatic landscapes, pristine beaches, and unique attractions. Our adventure begins with the island's iconic Hallasan Mountain, a dormant volcano that offers spectacular hiking trails and panoramic views from its peak. We'll explore the lush forests and diverse ecosystems that make Hallasan National Park a must-visit for nature lovers. For a taste of Jeju's unique culture, we'll visit Seongup Folk Village, where traditional thatched roof houses and ancient customs have been preserved, giving you a glimpse into the island's rich heritage. Jeju is also home to stunning beaches, and we'll take you to the crystal clear waters of Haepje Beach and the dramatic cliffs of Joseon-jeolli, where the ocean meets volcanic rock formations. Foodies will delight in Jeju's culinary offerings, from fresh seafood to the famous Jeju black pork, a local delicacy that promises to tantalize your taste buds. Incheon, a dynamic city where history, innovation, and culture come together. As the gateway to South Korea, Incheon is home to one of the world's busiest airports and offers a wealth of attractions that showcase its unique charm and significance. Our exploration begins in the bustling streets of Songdo International Business District, a cutting-edge smart city renowned for its sustainable architecture, urban parks, and the stunning Songdo Central Park, where you can enjoy a tranquil stroll or a leisurely boat ride. We'll journey to the historic Jamalpur district, where Incheon's rich past comes alive. Discover the story of Korea's modernization at the Incheon Open Port Museum and take a walk through Chinatown, the only official Chinatown in Korea, with its vibrant streets and delicious culinary offerings. For nature lovers, we'll visit Gulmido Island, a popular leisure spot with beautiful ocean views, amusement parks, and seafood restaurants. And don't miss the stunning sunsets at the Incheon Grand Park, a vast urban oasis that offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Busan. Busan, South Korea's vibrant seaside metropolis, where stunning beaches, bustling markets, and rich culture create an unforgettable experience. Known as Korea's second-largest city, Busan is a dynamic destination that perfectly balances urban excitement and natural beauty. Our adventure begins at Haeundae Beach, one of Korea's most famous beaches, where golden sands meet the sparkling blue sea. Nearby, the bustling streets of Haeundae offer a variety of cafes, shops, and cultural attractions. Seoul. Seoul, South Korea's vibrant capital where tradition meets innovation in an exhilarating fusion of past and present. As a dynamic metropolis, Seoul offers an array of experiences, from historical landmarks to modern marvels, and everything in between. Our journey begins at Gyeongbokgung Palace, the grandest of Seoul's royal palaces, where you can witness the impressive changing of the guard ceremony and explore the beautiful architecture and gardens that reflect Korea's rich history. We'll dive into the lively streets of Myeongdong, a bustling shopping district renowned for its fashion, cosmetics, and street food. Experience the energy of Seoul's urban life and taste local delicacies like hotdog, sweet pancakes, and tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes. For a taste of traditional Seoul, we'll visit Bukchon Hanok village, where you can stroll through well-preserved Hanok, traditional Korean houses, and get a glimpse into life during the Joseon dynasty. Food enthusiasts will find a haven in Seoul's diverse culinary scene, from traditional Korean barbecue to contemporary fusion cuisine. Join us as we savor the flavors of Seoul and discover its unique blend of old and new. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through South Korea. From the vibrant streets of Seoul to the serene landscapes of Jeju Island, we've explored a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. We hope our adventures have inspired you to discover these amazing places for yourself. If you enjoyed our series, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our